Redefining an immersive light and sound experience on a modern phone. Like all Unihertz products, Luna stands apart from every generic phone on the market. But unlike any of our prior product series, Luna is a completely new phone model. Inspired by the ancient Oriental philosophy of round sky, Luna's straightforward geometric design brings an immersive experience of light and sound on modern smartphones. Let Luna illuminate your life. Industrial transparent back design featuring colorful LED lights. With the protection of the color-plated premium metal body, Luna sports a stylish transparent back and the colorful strip LED lights. Seeing through the Panda King glass backplate, the glowing red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, or magenta hues offer a means to form the ethereal light you desire and express your individuality. Geometric LED notifications. The geometric design serves as an illustration of lighting innovation. For smartphones, you can customize the color of the light pattern upon the incoming calls, new notifications and more scenarios to let Luna shine with your rhythm. Immersive light and sound experience. Luna's magic loop stripe even achieves a dynamic change of light color according to the video motion and sound to bring you an immersive blend of visual and auditory experience. At a deeper level, 108 megapixel triple lens camera for mega moment. While a single lens camera relies on the software for creating a decent image, Luna does more with its equipped camera of 3 diverse lenses. You may snap ultra-high resolution photos with the 108MP main camera. The 20MP night vision camera provides excellent image quality in low light environments, and the 2MP macro lens lets you get close-up shots of small objects. Go capture your mega moment with Luna's stunning triple lens camera. 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM storage. With 8GB RAM and massive ROM storage of 256GB, Luna provides a noticeably improved user experience. The large RAM enables smoother multitasking, allowing for quick lag-free switching between various background applications. Additionally, you could keep a vast amount of data, such as high-quality photos, videos, documents, music or other personal files on Luna's local storage, without concerns about cloud data security issues. 6.81 inches full-screen display. A larger full-screen display of 6.81 inches with a resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixels enhances the phone's overall viewing and multimedia effect, providing a more immersive visual experience while gaming, browsing, watching videos, and using apps. 5000 mAh all-day life battery. Luna's 5000 mAh battery retains a high energy density, while also being driven by a MT6789 octa-core processor. With lower power consumption, this can provide greater convenience and peace of mind, especially when traveling or in situations where you may not have access to a charger. You can expect to go all day between charges with Luna. Multifunctional IR remote control. Luna allows you to use your phone as a remote control for a wide range of household appliances, such as televisions and air conditioners, making it more convenient and efficient to perform these actions. Luna will be a dedicated assistant for you to build a house remote control system in hand. Classic 3.5mm headphone jack design. Always preferable to wireless Bluetooth devices are wired earbuds. For the retro audiophiles, Luna keeps a classic 3.5mm headphone jack compatible with wired headphones to offer a better audio quality experience. Android 12 OS. Powered by the latest Android 12 OS, Luna provides a secure and convenient way to keep your data safe with its biometric fingerprint sensor and facial recognition feature, delivering the most personal, safe and effortless experience for you. Virtual Toolbox. Luna's Virtual Toolbox is a collection of integrated tools including a compass, magnifier, pedometer, protractor, speedometer, etc. You can access these virtual handy tools from Luna phone device without having to carry around physical counterparts.